Need to find and replace text in Word documents without uploading them? Contracts, reports, invoices, customer information, and other sensitive documents shouldn't always be uploaded to the cloud. With Ninetu File Batcher, all processing happens locally on your computer. Your files never leave your device. We have roughly 60 contracts to update. We'll replace the signing date and partier's details in every file. Then walk through how to batch apply those changes. Launch Ninetu File Batcher. In the left menu, click Word Tools, find and replace text in PDF. Add multiple words or import a folder. Select the contracts you want to edit and click Next. Enter the signing date and party company info in the Find field and the new values in the Replace field. Adjust the processing settings as needed, check Match Whole Word Only and highlight, then click Next. Choose an output folder, click Next, and start processing. You'll see the files begin processing right away. Just wait for the operation to finish. Wait for processing to finish. Review counts for successes, skipped, failed, total time and processing log. We can click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the log for review. Open sample files to confirm dates and party information were replaced and highlights added. We've highlighted the changes to make them easier to review. Uncheck Highlight in Step 2 to turn this off. Use the before or after comparison to confirm accuracy. On the home page, here are some tips for using the tools. The My Favorites area on the right lets you pin frequently used tools, while the left panel displays your top 5 mostest tools. Now we are trying to add some commonly used tools. Add your commonly used tools to My Favorites so you can find them quickly next time. Click the icon at the top right of the feature page to view the usage guide. If you run into any problems, open Support from the menu and click New Support Request. Enter a short subject and a detailed description of the issue, and attach screenshots if possible to help us diagnose the problem. You can also provide us with the processing log you just copied. When you've filled everything out, click Submit. We'll review your request promptly and work to resolve the issue so it won't affect your normal use. Stop wasting hours on repetitive file updates. With Ninetu File Batcher, you can batch edit hundreds of files in minutes while keeping your data completely private. No cloud uploads. No data exposure. Work faster, stay secure, and get started today.